This is a summary of Romeo and Juliet Act I, Scene 4, and I like to call this scene Foreboding Doom. Romeo, Benvolio, and Mercutio are involved in this scene, and Mercutio is one of our newer characters. He is Romeo's best friend, and he is a very eccentric, strange, some may say even odd and weird, because of some of the things that he says. He's very free-spirited as well. So this specific scene, all of these characters are ready to go to the Capulet party. They're dressed up in masks, and Romeo's being a party pooper. He doesn't want to go. He's saying he doesn't want to dance, and then he even says he has a dream, and Mercutio interjects and has this very long tangent and talks about a dream he has that doesn't really quite make sense. Romeo finally does share his dream that he is worried about some vile forfeit of untimely death, that something bad is going to take place. We don't know exactly where this takes place, the scene, but we know they're on their way to the Capulet party. This scene is important because Romeo's premonition tells us of possible doom that may be lurking in the rest of this play. So keep that in mind as you read this, and enjoy.